2022 Nissan Armada. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.